brought you a care package.
Ooh. Show me the bean dip.
Some spacers.
Ooh. Beautiful. Yeah. Thank you.
I'll bring out all the others.
Would you like to introduce what we're doing today?
Oh shit, did you see that bee?
Finally introduce.
As you can tell by my hands, we already did a lot of work. What I wanted to do this weekend was redo all of my brakes because I've had a whole ton of brake parts just sitting around. And I found an old man on a forum tell me that you can put Volvo wagon calipers in the front by slotting them and doing a bunch of weird shit. So I'm doing it. So we got the backs all done. The back drums are
Rears are all new. New drums.
Got
Cool
some,
new wheels,
got some,
too.
yeah, some cool wheels.
Thanks to Joe.
Yeah.
Joe's
We're basically
wheels.
just trying to revive this thing little by little, you know.
Look at
Power
those
lawnmower.
wheels.
What?
Can you restart? I just
Look
started
at those wheels too.
Wow.
We'll get a more beautiful shot once it's on the ground and like at optimal ride height. But we just wanted to get some spacers on there, get wheels that weren't 13s, because with these bigger brakes, 13s don't fit. It's like 14s and up. So I had some shitty 15s we tried to fit on, and they do. Normally, if you just bolt these up, they sit like way too far center of the hub. No, way too far out. So you have to slot the holes in so it sits more in. So we did that. We need some more stuff. It's the sun setting. We just did the basic shit. Tomorrow will be a cool day. Maybe I'll even clean it. Maybe it'll actually be a car instead of a dusty heap of ass. We got the beans.
Oh yes.
We got the beans.
Dude, I gotta piss so bad.
Yeah, these are my old ass brakes. As Anton's working on the new ones, tell me what's wrong here. But this pad's like almost completely shot, and this one's like almost completely new. I don't know, man. They're probably seized as fuck. Also, whenever I was done driving, you could feel the left front wheel radiating heat.
Classic season brake.
And that's
telltale
ever since
signs.
I bought it like 2 years ago. So.
It's a good thing you don't drive it like
Yeah,
long
exactly.
distances, like
Good
you
thing
know,
it's
across
sat-
the state or anything.
Good.
Oh wait.
Weird.
So basically, these calipers have two inlets. So what we need to do is insert a T to go from the factory hardline into the T and split out into two. And for whatever reason, we thought we could make that work with only two fittings for the entire car.
So we went to O'Reilly's, bought all of their brake fittings. They have nothing left, so we're gonna need to go to pretty much a different state, probably.
Well, yeah.
Technically.
We're 5 minutes from the border of the state. You don't have to be.
We have to go to a different country. I need to get a passport. You're moving me.
Oh, I heard it squeak.
No, it's just crusting. Oh, you get to see a finished side.
Yeah.
You finished. Do you wanna twist the wheel? This is why we needed so many goddamn fittings. That's why we forgot so many. I want to get this car to the point where it could be my only car if I want it to. Just bool around town with it. I think that'd be so cool.
A really nice daily is like a surprisingly. It's a very
Underrated.
welcome thing.
Yeah.
I really
Underrated.
like having
Underrated.
like full interior. I really like having a car that I like looking at and being in.
Yeah. This has like a nice interior, and the sound system's even nice.
Yeah, dude.
The exterior's half decent, but
That's a flex. I want a nice sound system. We'll do a video of my sound system at some point.
from poop to
From poop to scoop.
from poop to scoop.
De-pooping my sound system.
Dude, I'm excited.
Okay, on what
It's
point are we
got-
at?
It's got half decent wheels on it. The brakes are all together. Nothing's leaking.
We've lowered it more,
Lowered it more.
and also the brakes are done. We kind of got excited and started moving very quickly.
Yes. I'm just gonna do this. There we go.
There we go. All right.
So it's not going to be very low,
Not super, but
it's going to be a half decent ride height. It'll also settle over some more time. Is it almost average ride height? Oh, it's a little lower.
a little bit.
It looks way better in person than on camera.
Yeah, I'm sure. Well, this is where we see if the brakes work. No, we kind of tested them.
This is the first road test. It might scrunch, dude.
I don't. It's not that low. I don't have any dollars.
Would you like some? Do I need them?
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Cal, what do you think?
I'm happy. It's clean and it works. But before it was like, I don't know, it was undrivable. It made me uncomfortable, you know?
Because of what?
The brakes were really bad and like the whole fuel system was really fucked. But now it's only fucked. Maybe there will be upgrades in the future on the whole fuel system. Brakes are good. They're actually solid. Like they don't just leak everywhere.
What else is left? You still got to do.
Master cylinder for the brakes to make them optimal. Cooling system. I might find a radiator from like a different car, like a different BMW or something. And fuel. And then it'll be like the best car ever. Maybe drop it like an inch all the way around.
Yeah. Roll the fenders.
Yeah.
Do my patented hammer folding technique.
No. But
Yeah.
look at it, it's shiny.
Looks fucking sweet, man.
It's shiny again.
Looks so good. The gold wheels are nice.
That's just fucking nice.
Yeah.
It is the entire size of a shipping container, though.